Good morning everyone, Buddy up here and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to remove and replace the hard disk and the ASUS model released Pro79IJ laptop. Somebody can send me a Pro79IJ laptop model Pro79IJ. Comes with screws one from. Now quick the remove battery. I'm sorry. Excellent. We replace this come with the slide. Oh really? Let's try the base tight taking for removing the battery. The battery was removed. Now we quick remove the bottom. Remove the hard disk holder. There's no more screws. It's time for there are one of them, the very hard disk. Remove the screws. Then press, we have slide all of them on hard disk. After hard disk, we'll use 320 gigs. For this screws the hard disk. I'm not used it that coming, so I'm removing the screws. Hold it back one. Sorry. Hard disk holder. One available. And the one of them excellent. The hard disk. I'm sorry. For the I need one of the this holder. I won't release this. I'll use that one. This code there is not available. I'll hold a screws. Will come into the hard disk. I will replace it. This is it. Oh, this code there is. This case I'll use. Let it drop. Some make report. Okay, shoot, everyone. The one not removable. Okay. Yeah, it's good. Okay, you are being grounded. Try one around it. Yeah. Lemon I'm sorry. All companies the hard disk won't listed and removal. I'm in the train. Won't removable. Now it's complete. Then 320 gigs. It's time for a no. We have slide now connect to the case of. Also, let's come. Assalamualaikum, Sammy. Salam. Come on. Ready? When will we release the squirrels? I'll hold the A test. Disk over camera holder. Also it's nothing. This code is well, then just place the holder from. Now place that battery. Then just replace the battery case battery holder. And this is going to go hell. Alright, so that's it for the removing and replace the hard disk on ASUS PRO79IJ. Thanks for watching. I hope you see you in the next video, and peace out.